Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm outside and I'm so excited. I'm finally doing this video. I am going to test the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm Temporary Eye Tightener. So I saw a TikTok video, it went pretty viral, and the woman did it and you could see her eye bags shrink. It was absolutely incredible. And I don't know if I told you guys, like when I went to the fair like last month, I got suckered in. Well, I didn't buy the product, but there was this product by the brand 24 Gold Prestige or whatever, and it was like an eye cream and it completely tightened up underneath my eye. It looked amazing, but he wanted to sell it. Well, the original price was like $1,000 and then he was gonna like bump it down to $300. I told him I don't have money, no. And then he was gonna bundle it with something else for like $200, and I was like no. And I like kind of ran away from him. But the product did work, and it only worked temporarily though. But when I seen this on TikTok, I had to try it, and this retails for $38, so I'm so excited. So one eye I'm going to try. I don't have any concealer underneath my eyes. I did put a little foundation, a little makeup, because being in the natural light without a ring light, you could see all my flaws. Like a lot of my videos, a lot of people say, oh, I always think you look younger because I'm 37. And I'm telling you, the ring light smooths out my skin. It just makes me look younger. And especially with the quality of my, because I use my camera on my phone, so I don't like have the best quality either. So it just smooths out my skin. So here I am in all my natural, well, kind of natural glory, you could see. But anyways, I'm going to try this eye without anything, no concealer under it, and see how it does. And then I also seen that you can mix this in with a concealer to get the same effects, because once you put this on, like if you put like a liquid foundation or concealer over it, it will kind of, it won't work. Like it'll ruin the effects of the product. It says you can put a powdered product on top, but you cannot put like liquid, because this is a temporary product. And what I like about this is that they say it's temporary. They're not lying to you saying this is gonna eventually make you not have eye bags or wrinkles. They're not lying to you. Like that product that they try to sell me at the fair, he told me you use it once a week for a year and it'll eventually, you know, get rid of your eye bags permanently. But there's like a product in here that it just tightens everything. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm super excited and try this out. So it does say to shake well and use sparingly, apply a thin layer to freshly cleansed skin. Remain expressionless and the product will dry within 3 to 7 minutes. And use a damp cloth, cotton swab, or fingertip to pat away any visible excess residue. Because a lot of people are complaining that it looks like dry and cracky and cakey underneath the eye. So that is a side effect. And when I looked up reviews, a lot of people were saying this product, you have to kind of like learn how to use it. Like it's not gonna, like it's kind of finicky, but you're gonna get amazing results. So yeah, let's just get into this. I'm super excited. So I shook it up and I'm gonna put a little on my finger. And I did read that some people like to use this with a brush instead of their finger. It's just like your preference, how you like to use it. I'm gonna put it a little up here, and you're supposed to wait until it dries. So, and try to remain expressionless. Speed up the process of drying to see if we notice any change. But when I ordered the product, I just want to show you guys, I ordered directly from Peter Thomas' website because it's sold out everywhere. Ulta sold out, Sephora sold out, and on the website, on Peter Thomas Roth's website, it does say expect shipping delays, and it did take quite a while to get to me. But they put, hi Teresa, isn't that cute? They personalize it. And I got a bunch of goodies with it too. I got the Hydra Gel Eye Patches, little sample. And then I got these two samples. This is the Anti-Aging Cleansing Oil And then they gave me a water drench glow serum. You guys noticing anything? I feel like it's starting to dry and it's starting to feel a little tight. I do see some residue, but I did put quite a layer on. And I have been up since 3 in the morning and worked an 8-hour shift. And I also got the cucumber gel mask. It's like a, I don't know, like a gel. You could put it in the refrigerator to make it like a cooling experience. I did try this. I did feel like it was moisturizing, but it kind of did feel like glue. And then I got this water drench moisturizer, and this felt so nice. It was like so silky. I really did enjoy this. So I feel like I got quite a bit of samples, which was really nice. Okay, so let's check in. I feel like the product is dry and you can see a residue. And let's see, do you guys notice any difference? I still feel like I see my bag right here, but I definitely feel like it tightened. For sure. It looks so much smoother. Like you don't see all the wrinkles. Wow. The only problem is it leaves that cast. So we'll have to figure out a way to make it work. So now I'm going to go in the other eye and mix it with a concealer. This is my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer. So I'm gonna put a little on my hand. I don't want to use too much. They do sell like a mega size on Thomas Roth website for like $90-something. I'm sure if you're like in love with the product, it would be definitely worth it. And I'm just gonna kind of mix them together and go underneath my eye. See how if it gets the same effects with using a concealer, because that is just how I like to do my makeup. It does feel, I could feel the tightening effect. Like it might have diluted the product a little bit, but I definitely feel that tightness that I felt on this side, probably not as strong. Okay, I have it dry on this eye. I do feel like it changed the consistency of the concealer. It just looks a little drier under my eyes. Or maybe it's just something I don't notice because I'm doing my makeup inside the house. Like this eye still feels it feels tight and lifted. I'm not feeling that over here. So I just don't think it worked as well with the concealer side, which is kind of a bummer. I'll have to play around with that because I would definitely wear concealer if I'm using this product. So I don't know, I'll have to play around with it. I do want to try setting underneath my eye. Let's see how like powder goes over it. See if I could clean it up a little bit so you don't see that line from the product. Okay, so I just try to go over like the edges with concealer and it just looks really bad. Like the concealer looks really bad over it. This is definitely a product I would have to play around with to see how I can get it to work, because that would be a huge issue for me if you can't use concealer over it. But it definitely works. I feel like the more eye bags you have, the more wrinkles, the more drastic your results are gonna be. But I definitely see a better result with the eye that I just used the product. I still see quite a bit of bag right here. I'm gonna try to apply more product. Okay, so I applied more product and let it sit for a little bit. I definitely feel the tightening and I think it works. There's just a few things I have to figure out how to make it work better. I do feel like this eye looks better than this eye. It's not like a huge drastic change, but I definitely think it's smoothed under my eye and it looks more awake, and I look less tired on this side. Like if you look at this side and then look at this side, Like it didn't do 100%, but I definitely feel like it did something. So the only thing is I got to figure out how to make it work with makeup. So if you guys have any like advice how to get it to work with makeup and different things I could try, because I do think this is a product that works. It's just something you have to kind of figure out how to make it work for you, you know? And they do have a face cream, which I'm super interested. I'm also interested if I could get this line in my forehead to disappear. I'll do that real quick. I know I'm making this video quite long. I will probably try to cut a bunch out because there's a bunch of me just sitting here doing nothing, fanning my face. So I'm gonna let that dry and let's see if it took away the line. Okay, so I let that sit for a little bit and I do feel the tightening, and my line is still there, but it definitely smoothed it out. And I applied that over makeup, and I feel like I see a little bit of the residue, but not much. So that's something I'm curious to try, using this over concealer to see how it works that way. But it worked. You see, my line is pretty much gone. That's crazy. But okay guys, that is it for today's video. I would love to know if you tried this product or a similar product like it, and if you have, how do you get it to work for you without having like that cast, that residue, and how do you use it with makeup? Because I'm a daily makeup wearer and I do enjoy wearing concealer, so I would like for this product to work while I'm wearing, you know, makeup. But okay guys, I hope you're all having a great day, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.